If you are a student and you are not using AI tools yet, you are doing more work than you need to. Not cheating, using smart tools the same way students use calculators, spell checkers, and the internet before you. Here are the 5 free AI tools every student should be using right now. ChatGPT is the best free tutor available. Stuck on a concept? Type this prompt. It explains the topic with a real analogy and then gives you practice questions. Better than watching 3 YouTube videos trying to find a good explanation. Notion AI. After every lecture, paste your notes into Notion and type summarize. Clean, organized key points in 10 seconds. Then use Create Action Items to generate a study checklist automatically. Your notes go from messy to usable immediately. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is an AI search engine that gives you answers with real, clickable sources. This is crucial for academic research. You get the information you need and the citations you can check and use in your paper. Go to perplexity.ai and try it free right now. Grammarly. The free version of Grammarly catches grammar errors, suggests clearer phrasing, and checks your tone. Install the Chrome extension and it works inside Google Docs, email, everything. For longer papers, paste your draft into ChatGPT and say, improve the clarity and flow of this essay without changing my argument. Gemini, for any topic that is current or recent technology, news, research trends, use Gemini instead of ChatGPT because it has live Google search access. Ask it to summarize recent developments on your research topic. And it pulls the freshest information available. 5 free tools. ChatGPT for explanations. Notion AI for notes. Perplexity for research with citations. Grammarly for writing. Gemini for current topics. Use all 5. Subscribe for weekly AI tool tutorials.